Yay! Shall we buy chocolate?
Only if you're a good boy. Don't go away, Memo. Stay by my side.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. Just let me see. I won't be long.
Memo? Memo! Where did you go? This is a monkey. He kidnapped my baby. I won't leave you, Memo. Your mum is coming.
Mama.
Someone stops it.
Leave me. I want my mommy.
After a while.
Don't hurt him.
Why should I listen to you?
Mom. Help me.
I'm here, baby.
I didn't want to hurt him. I was just alone.
We don't take friends by force. Do you want to play with us?
May I?
We will buy you bananas and grapes.
I'm happy.
Is this the same monkey?
Yes, but he's our friend now.
I've never tasted a banana this sweet.
Today was scary, but it ended okay. You are always welcome to our home.
Sleep tight, my friend.
Nothing is equal to a mother's heart, and nothing is stronger than love.